I think we're kind of lost in the Amazon jungle on a boat. This is amazing. I'm in the middle of the Amazon jungle looking for bugs. So our adventures in Cusco have finally come to an end, and now we're planning to fly all the way up to Iquitos to experience the Amazon jungle. But to get there was an adventure in itself. That's the boat we're taking. Holy moly. Oh, gracias. Okay. That's crazy. I don't know what Mark got us into. There goes Pam. Okay, Mark, what?
Yes, I'm coming.
What? What are we doing?
Okay.
Seats aren't bolted down, just FYI.
Okay.
Yes.
They move around. They're like airport seats. Ooh, oops. You okay?
Yeah. It just fell off.
You sure this is?
Lord.
This is not sketchy at all, right?
Oh no, it totally is. We know how to swim, right?
There is life vests on the...
That probably don't work.
Okay.
A new home for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. Unknown man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, 'cause I found my way.
So I think we're kind of lost in the Amazon jungle on a boat. We're trying to find manatee jungle tours, and they're nowhere around. And our poor boat driver is trying his best to find them. There's something up there. Oh, here comes someone. Yay! We made it. Not the best accommodations, but it is supposed to be an expedition. This is our room. It was a shocker, to say the least. We get one sheet for the bed. Thankfully, I brought my own pillow. And netted walls. I'm afraid if I don't wear shoes in here, I might hurt myself, get some kind of disease. But it works. We are in the jungle. So the accommodations might have been less than desirable. What manatee expeditions lacked in luxury, they definitely made up for in an organized, well thought out, and adventure packed week full of activities.
Well, you expect, when you come here, you expect to see a lot of wildlife. Also monkeys, snakes, bushmaster, all kinds of snakes, and lots of piranhas in the Amazon too.
Huh?
But they hurt you with this. They have they have like a twister in the front, and they press you with that and make you bleed.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this one here. See this right here? Called Pelletwood scorpion, called embley pigeon. Look at it. See? Nice. See? And that's the holder. They're gonna open this, and she's gonna be like in the hole. Look at it. See?
This is amazing. I'm in the middle of the Amazon jungle looking for bugs. So far we've found a tarantula, some really huge ants that will kill you, and a couple of weird bugs. But just listen to that noise.
You okay back there, please?
I'm coming.
Yeah, no one leave somebody too much behind. Otherwise, it's gonna be jaguar bait. Jaguar.
Oh,
Oh, they're awesome here. I find last week.
that's another termite hole, huh?
Okay, the first day when you came here, we got to Monkey Island, we got jungle walk, we got night excursion, we got piranha fishing, we got to see the natives, the Yawa tribes.
Awesome.
Good.
turkey tails.
Turkey tails?
Yeah.
Yeah, we saw like that here too. Turkey tail mushroom, like a turkey tail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you guys call them?
No, just hongos. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. I'm gonna push a little bit. I'm gonna push a little bit now. See that? I get on a push. Anastasia. So what happened? Sometimes when you work in the jungle with machete or axe, sometimes back accident. You cut by yourself or big cat, you need some stitches. You put this up right where you have front wound and really make numb, like anesthesia. And that you can make it stitches, right? And also
That's
here,
strong.
oh yeah, that's strong, yeah. And you, when you cut by your bleeding, you stop it, also you don't feel it.
Tree. Wow.
Yeah. A lot of these palm trees over here, look at the leaves, the big leaf. We also have big ferns, big spines too.
Yeah, those are huge.
We Congo palm.
The wine cup? Those are so pretty.
Bushwhacking the Amazon. Man.
that is, huh? It's a camera. I'm afraid you're gonna break it. I'm afraid you. Hello. Yeah. Are you gonna come up my arm?
Oh, he's got an injury on his arm.
I know. Hey, don't poop on me. Let me get it.
There he goes. He jumps on the tree.
What kind of monkey is it again?
The big one's a woolly monkey.
Woolly monkey.
Woolly monkey. Call here choro. If you hear that in Lima, it means pickpocket in Lima. Choro. But here's the monkey.
Well, after Monkey Island, it was time to head back to camp for dinner and a good night's sleep. Because for us, tomorrow's our flight back home, and this will be the end of our Peru adventure. It's been so much fun and so many different experiences. We really hope that you've enjoyed each and every episode. Everything from the Salcantay trek to Machu Picchu, Via Ferrata, and ziplining down, and now the Amazon jungle. The Peru adventure has been really exciting, and if you've missed any of the episodes, check them out. And don't forget to subscribe, because that way you'll never miss an episode. So we'll see you next time on Explore with the Eggerts.
Well, I hope you see you in the next expedition. More than welcome, please. Thank you.